By studying abroad, you can immerse yourself with the world's best opportunities, grow professionally and personally, get to see another part of the world, and of course, get a great education with such a multi diverse culture here. But in a world where so many options and choices are available out there, we often tend to lose our focus and concentration, where to look at and how to start. And that's where TG Education Services helps. Hi, this is Nekha Pandey, and I'm the marketing manager at TG Educational Services UK, where we help students who aspire to study abroad. TG Education Services is a one step solution for all the education services. We not only provide our expert guidance, we have successfully acquired global tie ups and national presence. We are also the authorized representatives for more than 500 universities. We provide our services across the globe, from UK to USA, Canada, Australia, France, Italy, Germany, Philippines, and many more cities. We provide assistance at each step of the study abroad life cycle to our students. We start from the profile analysis and scholarships, then we go towards the universities and course selections, where our experts will counsel you for the according to your academic qualifications for the best universities. And then we also take care of your document, where we guide you what all the documents are necessary and what the university prefers. Apart from that, we also take care of your application and reviews and whatever the documents there need to be submitted. And we also take care of your visa application process and documentation guidance. And lastly but not the least, we also take care of your travel and foreign exchange arrangements. We analyze the student profile based on the academic qualifications, work experience, financial status, and career goals. We also provide expert guidance on documentation preparations such as CV, SOP, and other required documentations. We also have our content team, which take cares of all the grammatical mistakes, structures, and tones in the best possible manner, which is to be presented to the university. Not only this, we do provide learning resources for free, such as Skype trainings, seminars, webinars, events, presentations, and many more. The best part about our consultancy is that there is no charge of free IELTS classes, whether it be TOEFL or PTE, and also GRE GMAT for our students who are willing to enroll themselves to the best universities globally. Not only this, but we also provide our students with the 1 week free accommodation when they reach to their destination of studying abroad. Apart from this, we also take care of this internship if they are willing to do internship after their studies, and also we look after their part-time jobs. TG Educational Services come forth as one of the best consultancies not only in UK but in India as well, and we try to help as many as students out there who really dream to study abroad. Not only this, but we also come with the proposal of franchisee and partners, business associate, where we can expand and work closely in a working environment where we can learn and gain so much of skills from each other and multi-diverse culture. We have more than 30 to 35 employees in our company as of now, who strives every day to work hard, whether it be in content team, whether it be in lead generation, or whether it be in digital marketing team. We strive to come forth and try to aspire and help as many students out there who are stuck with something or the other, or if they have any sort of questions and queries related to study abroad, because studying abroad is a very big decision of anyone's life. But trust me guys, once you really pursue your dream, I'm pretty sure your life is gonna change, and it will bring us so much better impact personally and professionally in your growth. So what are you waiting for? At last, I would like to say, let your dreams outgrow the shoes of your expectations. I'm mentioning our website and contact number in the description box below. Please, if you have any sort of doubts, queries, and questions related to anything, you can feel free anytime to text us, email us, visit our website, which is also mentioned in the description below. You can visit our website and message us there as well. We will try to be in touch with you as soon as possible. Have a good day. Thanks.